Hey y'all, Birmingham World of Wheels 2017, and I got a 67 C10 twin turbo big block. I think y'all are gonna enjoy. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. What about that, right? It's a cool flame job. Headers dumping right out of the fender down there at the bottom. Nice wheel choice. I like it. Good looking truck. Look how they cut out the hood. So, slammed to the ground on bags. So, it's going to be a short video because I can only get to one side of the truck, but I thought it was too cool to walk by. I like how they airbrush that tin shop on the back. Cool little truck, man. I like what they did there. I like how they put the opening there so you can see all the suspension. I like how they dimple dyed the wheel wells there so you can see the back of the wheel. Different colors to accent it a little bit. No, that's very cool. Custom interior. I like those little inserts in there. It's from like, looks like an older Impala or whatever. It's kind of a cool feature. And then that dash, I'm not sure what dash that is, but it ain't a stock C10 dash. Maybe a Corvette dash? I don't know. I hate it. I even said that because you know I don't know nothing. Look at that, would you? Twin turbo, big block stuffed underneath the hood. Love it. I love how the intakes too, right? Look at the intakes come through the hood up there at the top, how they make it cutouts. The dimple dye under there, give it a little street machine look. Down. Look where the air filters are. What a lot of plumbing, a lot of chrome, a lot of cool. Now you gotta love that. Twin turbos too. I'm a big fan of turbos. Nice job, guys. So there you go, from World of Wheels Birmingham 2017 67 twin turbo C10. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!